find the denomination of 10 and 10 rupees and 50 rupees. If the number of 10 notes is one more than that of 50 notes, find the number of notes of each denomination. See if you will understand. A pulse could be 250 rupees. 250 rupees in the pulse. Denomination of 10 rupees and 50 rupees. If the number of 10 rupees notes in one more than that of 50 notes, that means here clearly if the number of 10 notes is one more and 10 rupees there, it contain 50 notes of the one more means highest compared to 10 15 note is 15 notes, one more is highest. Find the number of notes each of the denomination. So let the number of 15 notes is equal to x, the number of 50 notes. See, a pulse contains 250 in the denomination of 10 rupees and 50 rupees notes is there. If the number of 10 notes in one more than that of 50 notes, right? Find the number of notes on each denomination. The number of notes is the number of notes, the number of we can examine one more, but that means x, right? So the total value of the 50 notes how much 50x. So the number of 10 notes, x plus 1, right? Here a pulse contains 250 denomination. In this pulse having 10 rupees notes and 50 rupees notes. Here I am taking the number of 50 notes into x. Okay, the total here also giving in this pulse having 50 notes, 50 rupees notes as there. So the total value 50 is equal to 50 into x, 50x. So and the number of 10 notes is there. So here I am also taking x plus 10, x plus 1. So then the value of the total 10 rupees notes, right? How can we check? 10 into x plus 1, right? 10x plus 10, right? So here I am adding the total value of the money. So the total value of money equal to 50x plus 10x plus 10. So adding this 10x plus 50x, 60x plus 10, right? 10x plus 60x plus 10. So giving the total value of the money of the person contains is 250 rupees. Here also given 250. So here I will explain clearly. In the purse contain 50 rows and 10 rupees notes. I can assume the 50 rupees notes can taken as x, okay, and 50 notes for total value 50 notes 50x. And the same time number of 10 notes is there. 10 notes means you can take x plus, I can take x plus 1. In this 10 rupees notes, 10 into x plus 1, 10x plus 10, right? So the total number of money is equal to 50x plus 10x plus 10. We will get 60x plus 10. So the total purse containing how much? 60x plus 10 equal to how much? 250. 250, right? We already know the how to find x value. We can write the x values into one side, remaining values into one side, right? 60x is equal to 250 minus 10, 240. X is equal to 240 by 60, right? Therefore the x value, how many times guys? 4 times, right? Now up to we have to solve the equation. Now we have to check the given finding what we are finding the equation, is it correct or not? How can we check? See the total number of nodes, the total, see number of nodes 50, x is equal to 4, right? 50 nodes per number of 4 number of 10 nodes. What is the answer? 10 nodes means, that means 4 plus 1, right? 10 plus 1, okay, x plus 1, that means 4 plus 1. So in this total number of nodes, right, check 10 nodes, 5 are 1 more than 50 nodes, right? See value of the money, value of the money is equal to how much? X plus 4, x into 4 plus 10 into 5. See, check 10, total value of the money is how much? We already know the 50x plus 10 into x plus 1, right? Into 4. Wait guys, sorry. So we have to check what we have to check in the given question. 10 nodes is 1 more than that of 50 nodes. 50 nodes, that means here 10 nodes, 5, 10 nodes for the value is 5, that equal to 5, right? 10 nodes value is 5 and 1 more than a 4, 50 nodes, that means 50 into 4 plus 50 into 4 plus 10 into 5, 10 into 5, 50 into here 50 nodes per 50 nodes per 4 plus 10 nodes per 4 plus 1, how much? 5, that means 5 4s are 20, 200, 10 5s are 50, right? Therefore the answer is 250. So in the given question 250, this one is also same. So in this we have to find the answer. Moving on to the example 10. Example 10. Length of the rectangle is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. If the parameter of the rectangle is 56 meters, find the length and breadth. Here, length of the rectangle is 8 centimeters less than twice its breadth. If the parameter of the rectangle is 56 meters, find its length and breadth. Here, rectangle is there. The length of the rectangle is 8 meters already given. Twice less than its breadth. Here, length is less than 2 twice, that means 2 times to the breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 56, find the length and breadth. See, length of the rectangle is how much? X meter, right? Here, sorry guys. Here length is given, we have to breadth value, right? Breadth and length. Length of the breadth x meters, twice the breadth. That means twice the breadth. That means 2x meters, right? Therefore, its length is length is already given 2x width. That means this length is, so here what is the length of the 2x? Minus 8 meters, right? So parameter of the rectangle, we already know the formula. Parameter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B, right? Therefore the 2 into, what is the length value? What is the length value, guys? We already know the length value is 2x minus 8 plus the width value coming to width value, what is x, right? 2 into 2x x minus 8, that means 2x minus 16. Sorry, 2x plus x, 3x, that means 6x minus 16, right? 6x minus 16 meters, right? So given the parameter of the rectangle is 56, right? Here 56 is given, so 6x minus 16 is equal to how much? 56. So we have to find the x value. We already know the how to find 56. Plus will become, minus will become plus, right? 16. 6x is equal to 56. 72 is the value. X is equal to 72 by 6 means we will get the value is 12, right? So in this we have to find the x value. So width of the rectangle is how much? 12. Twice the breadth is 12 meters, right? See, length of the rectangle, length of the, here breadth is completed, we have to find the length of its breadth, length of, which means 2 into x value, what is the value? 12 minus 8 meters, that means 2 12s are 24, 24 minus 18 equal to 6 meters, right? 6 meters. So we have to find the parameter also, that means 2 into L plus B, that means 2 into L value how much? 12 plus 16, sorry, here 16 equal to, that means 2 into how much? 8, 28, that means value is how much we will get the 56 meters. Therefore the LH is equal to RHS. So here I will explain clearly one more time. Here a rectangle is there, the parameter of the rectangle is length, that means here length is there, for example length, breadth is there. See, here I can assume the length, breadth, okay? Here giving the length is 8 meters, already given 8 meters, twice than the breadth, that means 8 meters twice. So see, here breadth of the rectangle is x meters, twice of the breadth means 2x. I want to take 2x meters. So the length of the length is 2x, then the 2x, here giving the equation minus 2x minus 8 meters. So parameter of the rectangle is, we already know the formula, 2 into L plus B, that means 2 into 2x minus 8 plus x. So 2 into 3x minus 8. So 3 2s are 6x, 3 8 is a 6, 8 2s are 16. That means we will get the value is x is equal to 12. We have to substitute the x value into the breadth value and length value, right? So x into 12 meters, that means length is 2 into 12 minus 8 equal to 24 minus 8, that means 16 meters. See, in this we have to find the parameter. How can we check? 2 into L value is 12, breadth value is 16, that means we will get the value 56 meters. In the given equation is 56, meters, the rectangle is, in this also we get the 56. So in this way how to understand the given equation, then find again how to assign the some values to the some numbers, length, whatever parameter is there. So we have to assign the x, y, z, u, v, w, that's it. Then we have to write the algebraic equation, right? We can write the algebraic equation, then find the solve the equation, then whatever given the whatever we have to get the answer, then we have to check the given equation to the given sum, right guys? This is very easy to understand. Hope you all are understand this problem. Tomorrow onwards we start our next chapter, sorry, next exercise number 3. Okay guys.